As avid campers, we are always battling flies when it comes to eating outside. So I was really excited to receive these fly fans as a gift for a review. So let's go over what you get. You get 4 of the fly fans and they telescope like this, so they're good for storage. So you just kind of shake them out and then pull them all the way up, and then they're ready to go like that. And then they just collapse down just kind of like that. You get 4 charging cords because they're rechargeable, so that's great because you can charge all 4 of them at once. You get 4 fans, and this one's all charged up, so I'll show you how it works. There's a little button on the bottom. You press it and turns it on. It's got a good speed. It's only 1 speed. The great thing about these is if you have them over your food and you're trying to reach down, it just stops with your body. So no worries there about getting hurt or anything. It's also sparkly, which is going to be good for keeping flies away, the reflection. And if you click it again, you get some colors and lights that are also going to reflect off the propellers. I don't know if you can tell, but they have this reflectiveness to them. And that also, the motion and that helps keep the flies away. And then you can just turn it off. And one unique feature that you don't see often with these types of products is there's a hook right here so that you're able to hold it over, like you could hang it over your area that you want to keep the flies away, as well as have it like a tower. So if you're in need of keeping flies off your food and you want something that's rechargeable and has a little light and it's storable, then I highly suggest this product.